said to me she wants to go to Portland. There's not a thing that's nearly as important. We could drive all night, we'll get there in the morning. What's one long drive?
And your boyfriend is a lame here, square here, shape. I do not work at a bakery, but I do want cake.
Y hoy vamos a tejer algo juntos. Agarré mi color de hilo, mi ganchillo y mi tijera. Comencé con el proceso de las copas. Este proceso me tomó bastante, ya que una copa bastante grandecita. Empecé la parte de abajo y luego empecé con el punto decorativo. Ahora bien, les quiero decir que este es uno de los tejidos más especiales en mi vida, porque es para mi fan número 1, mi mamá, la que siempre me está ahí apoyando, la que siempre me está ahí, tú sabes, dándome support en toda esta travesía. Así que va a ser un honor para mí poder vestirla a ella. Ay, se me están aguantando los ojos, espérate. No saben cuánto he esperado este momento. Así que espero poder grabarle el viernes para que ustedes vean lo hermosa y preciosa que se ve con su tejido. Además de que quiero aclarar que esta vez sí no es la pieza, es la modelo.
My name. Can't you hear the bumblebees swarm? I'm watching your horns. I love it when you look my way.
This is where you make it permanent.
Hello everyone, so recently I've been obsessed with making crochet keychains, and I happened to stumble upon this crochet Totoro keychain by Amikuruku on YouTube, so I decided to make a bigger version of it because I thought it was absolutely adorable. So to make it larger, I simply added a few more stitches as well as a few more rows and used a thicker size yarn. I also went ahead and made a larger size leaf. After I was finished with it, I fell completely in love, and I hope you guys like it too.
Hi, so here's how I made this little outfit. I used this yarn that I had laying around. It was just extra yarn, and then I used this hook, and I used half double crochets for the entire project. So these are the sleeves. I did 10 up and down and 13 across, and then I connected them, and I made 2 of them obviously, and these are all the pieces. The back pieces are 35 across and then 48 up and down, and the front pieces are 30 across and 48 up and down. Then I put them all together. This is what it looks like when you put it all together. Then I did the borders. The borders, I used this green yarn and I used this hook. And when you do the borders, you want to make sure you are crocheting from the right side. Don't crochet from the wrong side because it's a big difference. And then I made the skirt. This is how the skirt ended up turning out, and this is the final look. Hope you liked it.
Go to sleep, so I'm gonna make a strawberry bee at 2 a.m. Buzz buzz. I fell asleep and now it's the next day and I'm feeling the strawberry bee. I finished the strawberry bee. I gave it heart cheeks and a strawberry butt.
My heart, and does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved
You
me.
cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
This is the part of me that you know.
Here's the story behind this crocheted outfit. So Liv posted this photo on Instagram and she texted me that she made it, so naturally I asked her to make me one, and we even talked about it on FaceTime. I knew it took a long time to make, so I offered to pay for one, but little did I know she had already sent me one in the mail. I feel like I know who could be. Oh my god. I'm not even joking. I love you so much, and can everyone please agree with me in the comments on how talented she is?
So about 2 weeks ago, my friend showed me this crochet bee on TikTok, so I decided to make one for myself. In the original pattern by Hooked by Robin, she only made 2 rows for each stripe, but I decided to make 3 rows instead. After I was finished with all the stripes, I realized it probably wasn't a good idea to increase the amount of rows because my crochet bee turned out to be super big. The bee was already 16 inches and I wasn't even finished with this, and that's gonna take a lot of polyfill. So that's just me stuffing the body and sewing the butt closed. I also went ahead and sewed the wings. This is how much stuffing it took, by the way. I really loved how it turned out. It's super adorable, super cute, super cuddly, plush. It's amazing, and yeah.
Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian West.
I'm gonna cry playing 5 minutes. You don't think I feel bad? I feel sad.
I hate my sister.